Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked how many subscriptions you were paying for? Netflix, Spotify, Prime, cloud storage, apps you don't even remember installing. Now here's the scary part. You might think these are small expenses, but in 2026, these small payments are quietly building something very big. Poverty. This isn't a motivational video. This isn't about stop buying coffee. This is about a system designed to make sure you never feel the pain of spending money, but you always feel the consequences. Welcome to what I call the subscription trap. In the past, you paid once for things. You bought a DVD, you owned music, you purchased software. Today, you rent your entire life, entertainment, productivity, health, education, even relationships. Yes, dating apps too. And the genius of the system is that it doesn't empty your wallet today. It empties your future. Let's do something uncomfortable. Most people pay between $10 to $30 per subscription. Now count just 10 subscriptions. That's easily $150 to $300 every month. That's $3,600 a year. And over 10 years, $36,000. That's not Netflix money. That's not Spotify money. That's house down payment money, business startup money, freedom money. And here's the cruel part. You don't feel rich using subscriptions, but you feel poor when you try to save. You wonder why your salary disappears, why emergencies scare you, why dreams stay on paper. It's not because you're bad with money. It's because you're bleeding silently. In 2026, this gets worse because companies are no longer selling products. They're selling dependence. AI tools, subscription, learning skills, subscription, fitness, subscription, basic software, subscription. Soon, not subscribing will feel like falling behind. And that's exactly the trap. Here's the trick they use. They remove pain. A one-time payment hurts. A monthly payment feels harmless. You don't think I'm paying $240 a year. You think it's just $20. And when pain disappears, discipline disappears with it. But listen carefully, as subscriptions are not evil. Unconscious subscriptions are. The goal isn't to cancel everything. The goal is to choose consciously. Ask yourself one brutal question. If this subscription doubled in price tomorrow, would I still keep it? If the answer is no, you already know what to do. Here's a simple rule for 2026. One entertainment subscription at a time. Only subscriptions that increase income or health. Review everything every 90 days. Cancel before comfort turns into addiction. Comfort is expensive. Freedom is uncomfortable, but cheap. The subscription trap doesn't make you poor overnight. It makes you comfortable while quietly stealing your future. And by the time you notice, it's already expensive to escape. If this made you pause and think, hit the like button. It helps this video reach people who need to hear this. If you want more honest explainers like this, subscribe to the channel. And I want to ask you something in the comments. How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? Honestly, drop the number below. Let's make money conversations normal again. I'll see you in the next one.